Hey guys, if you can feel warm air coming through your LG portable AC window kit or your room isn't staying cool for long, you're in the right place. One of the biggest reasons a portable AC loses efficiency is air leakage around the window kit. Even small openings can let hot outdoor air, humidity, dust, and insects enter the room, forcing the AC to run longer while cooling less effectively. Gaps usually appear where the adjustable panels meet or around the window frame. The thing is that sealing these leaks only takes a few minutes and can noticeably improve cooling performance. These are the steps you can try to fix this and seal your LG portable AC window kit properly. So, let's get started. 1. Extend the window kit until it fits tightly inside the window frame. 2. Apply the included foam weather strips along the window sash and frame. 3. Seal any remaining gaps between the panels using foam tape or removable weather stripping. 4. Confirm the exhaust hose adapter is fully locked into the window panel with no visible openings. 5. Close the window firmly and check around the entire kit for warm air leaks.